Isabella, George. Where am I? What do you mean? Like in the course?
So we're the course.
Yeah. We're in London, Millennium something hotel. Don't remember the name. And yeah, Millennium something hotel. And with the property crash course, investors crash course. Yes.
Lovely. And how have you found it?
Really exciting. It's not my first crash course. This is going to be like the second one, but it's not the second event. It's like the third. The first one was actually in February, and that was just like, I don't remember the title, but I know it was a mind-blowing day, and then led to the sign up to the HMO bootcamp and the SA bootcamp, and then from there I joined the academy. So it's just been like a whirlwind of events, and it's just a lot that happened.
Lovely. So why did you decide to come back here?
We actually purchased this ticket before we joined the academy, so it's just like, let's just see, maybe there might be some information. And I think with Samuel, even though some of the content we already know because we're either on the academy or you've done some of those courses, there's some information, and it's just like, I think it's also the energy, the buzz. It's like it motivates you to and inspires you to do more.
So so you talked about the energy, you talked about the buzz. Can we talk a little bit about Samuel? Like how was he on stage, and how did his energy affect you?
The word that pops to mind is electric. It's like it just powers you. Does that make sense? But then I'll flip it and say it empowers you, and it creates, from coming to the courses, the mindset shift, just thinking about you don't have to be status quo, you could actually make it in this life. It's not just because the mode of like going to school and having a set of education and having a job and that's going to be okay for you. You can actually flip that and actually do something a lot more. So Samuel just he inspires you and empowers you. And I think his personality itself just charges you like in the room. You're like, yes, I can do this, I can do this. It's almost like a high you get. Not that I've actually done anything crazy like that, but I'm just saying, like, do you see what I mean? Just, it's better word, electric.
That was perfect. That was a really good answer. So let's talk about your to people who are thinking about coming to the crash course. What would you say to those people?
Worst case scenario, you waste £1 and a few hours in your day. Best case scenario, you change your life. Why not? Why not just do that?